Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can set or turn off the beeping sound on the Honeywell-Xenon 1950G scanner using the software EZConfig. To set the beeping sound, you will first need to connect the scanner to your computer. After that, run the EZConfig software. Once you have run the software, on the left-hand side, click on Connected Device. The software should automatically detect and discover the device. After that, scroll down and click on Configure Device. After clicking, make sure that at the top, you are in the first tab, which is Settings. And you must also make sure that you are in Beeper Settings. In Beeper Settings, go to Volume. You can then select the volume of the beeper, or you can also turn it off. After selecting the desired volume, go to the left-hand side and click on Generate Barcode. After that, you will see a barcode. Use your scanner and scan the barcode, and you are all set. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and also subscribe to our channel.